Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will guide you how to fix a Snapchat media upload problem. So without wasting the time, let's come to the main part of the video. So basically, when you open someone's snaps or you send some snaps to your friend, then you will find this message that a media uploaded from top left corner. So basically, this comes when you send your gallery or a memories photo to some of your friends. To make you more clear, let me show you. As I selected my snap, and this is a blank snap, and when I send it to my another profile, which is just for explaining these things. As you can see, I received a snap from my another account, and when I open this, this shows media upload. So this means this comes when you upload or send some snaps of your from your memories or camera roll. So to fix this problem, first solution is install older version of Snapchat. For that, you have to uninstall these Snapchats. Just like you have to hold on it and then click on uninstall. After that, you have to open the browser in your device and then search for Snapchat older version. After that, you will find a website with name Android APKs free. You just simply have to open this and then scroll down and you will find all the versions of the Snapchat app. But the main problem is that which Snapchat version you have to download. So basically, in that this problem arrive after the update in July. So you can download the Snapchat version before or of June or before June. So to download them, you have to click on that and then skip the ad. After that, you will find the option of download APK. You just simply have to click on it and then the process starts. To see the process, you can click on details or you can click on three dots from the top right corner and then go to downloads. So from here you can check the process of downloading the Snapchat older version. So before it completed, you have to wait until the process completes, and when it completes, you have to click on it and then click on install. Because I have the another Snapchat, then it shows update. And if you have to uninstall the Snapchat first, the latest version, because this problem is only in latest version. And after clicking on it, you will find the install button here. You just simply have to click on it to install the app. After that, log in into your account, and then you will see that the problem resolved. Second solution to fix this problem is contact a Snapchat customer support or send them suggestions. For that, you have to open the Snapchat app, then tap on your profile and then go to setting. After scrolling down, you will find a option of I have a I have a suggestion in feedback. After clicking on it, you have to go to memories and then you have to choose the topic. After that, you can describe your problem and then you have to click on submit. That you don't want this update and you also don't like this. And after that, Instagram may uh, provide a button to toggle or toggle it on or off or any other update or permanently remove it. So in this way you can fix your problem. So that's all for today and thank you for watching our video.